Hey, what is going on, guys? Give me 1 second here. Hey, what is up, Facebook? What's going on, guys? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Hey, guys, I want to hop on here. Happy Saturday to you all. Hop on here, guys, and talk to you guys about I Am Master Academy, guys, and how you can earn while you learn to trade in the world's largest financial markets. Excited to share this information with you all. Man, new month, February is here, guys. Um, had the very good January, a good January for myself. Nice account growth. Won 75% of my trades. So on my personal trades that I took. So excited about that. And looking forward to February. So what I want to do, guys, is I want to hop on here uh, and talk to you guys about I Am Master Academy and what's happening with this platform. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to come over here now and let me share my screen with you guys and break down what's happening. All right. Give me 1 second here. Cool. All right, guys. So let me pull up my PowerPoint. I know I got it open real quick. There we go. Got it open. So what I want to do is come over here. PowerPoint. Where it go? There it is. All right. Share my screen and get the talking, guys. So what I want to do, there's my PowerPoint share. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and lock down and start breaking down this information. I Am Master Academy, guys, is the platform that I myself, along with uh, over 120,000 plus people around the globe have been using to learn this skill set of trading, forex, cryptocurrency, indices, oils, commodities. So you get it all inside of this platform, and it appeals to the everyday person, to the person who wants to learn, guys. And you're in a position to where uh, you're serious about wanting to learn a skill that no one can ever take away from you, something you can teach to your family, to your kids, and pass it along, right? This is that skill set. I know I'm equipped with the knowledge now to know I can go into these markets and trade based off of what I've learned in this academy and create an income for myself wherever I want, whenever I want. And that's something that can not ever be taken away from me because it's in here now. So this is a secret, guys, that used to be a secret for the wealthy. People, you need to have millions of dollars of net worth and have millions of dollars in an account to even learn the skill set. Even today, I had a young gentleman who just got started with me earlier this week. He had talked to two other individuals, I don't know if they're male or females, two other people about learning to trade forex, cryptocurrency, along those lines, guys. And one guy quoted him 20,000, and the other one quoted him 5,000 to start. I've seen where their academies charging up to 60,000. So once we talked and he saw what we had to offer, he was elated. He was excited. He was pumped up. And now I just got off the phone with him, was on the phone with him about an hour yesterday. He's up and running in the trenches, already studying, going through the information that I'm about to share with you, and excited, looking forward to the upcoming trading week. So I've been with this platform now going on 3 years. The company's been in existence now 6. And during that time, guys, I've been on a journey where I went from knowing nothing, complete novice. I knew I wanted to learn how to trade, but I was looking at binary options, and then I was introduced to Forex. And once I saw this, guys, I never looked back. And fast forward, here we are today, excited to learn, to know I've learned this skill and getting better at it daily, along with being equipped with utilizing the tools and knowledge of this platform that I'm about to share with you to earn even while I'm at work, on vacation, wherever. If I'm not able to get into the markets and trade on my own, I know I know I'm confident knowing that I'm going to get trade alerts to my phone that I can simply copy and paste in and be confident we're going into those trades and profiting as well. So the company has progressed a lot, even from when I was involved, going from where when I first got involved, there was only one product. Then we had our first copy and paste product. So two products when I first got started. So here we are now, 12 total products. So let's get talking. Let's get going on this information. Excited to share this with you all. So now, before I go into the platform, let's just do a little self-education here. And some of you may already know this information. I want to talk to you guys about how money is created, how money is generated in the world. This is not nothing just specific to I Am Master Academy. This is the way money, the four-way cash flow system for the world. There's four ways we can make money. Okay, 60% of us, we work for someone, right? We work for a company, individual, whatever. We go to work, we get paid. That's what it boils down to. And what happens if you don't go to work? You all know the answer. You do not get paid. Plain and simple. Okay. Yeah, if you have vacation time, you get paid for those days. Let's say you decide, I don't want to go on day, I'm not using vacation time or anything. You're not going to get paid. That's the bottom line. Okay. So someone determines, what you're worth, what they think you're worth, what you're going to earn, right? They give you a set time that you can have a lunch for, bathroom breaks, all those different things. Someone else is in control for the most part. 35% work for themselves. Working for yourself is a good plan as well. And people find obviously the independence of being able to create and do things the way you want to do it. Now, the one problem with this is what happens, guys. If you're running your business and your business closes for the day, then your revenue flow stops for the day. Okay, because it's just you. So when you look at different professions like that, where if you're working, guys, and you shut down shop, well, there's no one else generating revenue for you because it's just you, solo, by yourself. This is 95% of the people around the globe, and this 95% make only 5% of the entire market of the way revenue is generated. Okay, now we have the other side. Let's shift over to the other side. As you guys see here, we have the other part of the pie chart, which is 5%. 4% business owners. These are individuals, guys, where you own a business, right? You own a business, you're running a business. Now, even if you're hands-on in your business, if you are not there, you still either have people in place or systems in place to keep your business running, to keep revenue continue to be generated for you. Then you have the 1%, the investor mindset. Not only as an investor are you leveraging the efforts of people and systems, now you're leveraging the efforts of money. Okay, being an investor, you have money working for you around the clock along with people and systems, meaning whether you're asleep, awake, no matter where you at around the globe, potentially, you're able to generate revenue for yourself. This 5% right here makes 95% of the entire market. So as you can see, guys, there's a big imbalance here, and it's just the way of the world. So we want to talk about getting to that 5%. So I want to share with you a way that you can move yourself into that 5% if you're not already in there. And if you are already in that 5%, guess what people in that 5% want to do more of? Create more things to keep themselves in that 5%. All right. So welcome to foreign exchange, guys. I want to talk to you all about Forex. Now, what is Forex? It's the exchange of one currency versus another, guys. We're talking about every country in the world has an economy, the global economies of the world where we fall into currencies, right? Every country has a currency, whatever that currency is. You can trade one currency versus another. Okay. Now, let's say, for instance, you went to another country. When you go to that country, you would have to trade in your country's currency for that country's currency. Now, that is one currency versus another. That's a pair. That's the way you look at it. But when you're exchanging, let's say you trade in your $1,000 worth of your currency for whatever country you're visiting. Because if you go to that country and you're a visitor, you're going to have to buy food when you're there, right? Room and board, possibly. Buy goods, whatever you want to do, shop, whatever you want to take in parts of where money exchange in that country, you need their currency. So you trade in your currency to get that country's currency. You might trade in $1,000 of your country's currency. In exchange, you may get back the equivalent of more or less of what your country's currency is valued at versus that country's currency. So your $1,000 may be worth 2,000 there, or it may only be worth 800 there. It just depends. What affects these things? What's happening in your country's economy and that country's economy, along with other news and different things that impact the world globally. Okay, and I say that to say, if you guys look right now at the making of me doing this presentation, something that's impacting countries' currency around the globe, especially look at here in the United States, right? Um, People are in fear when you look at different things like the coronavirus that's going on right now. The coronavirus, guys, has caused a drastic drop. And when you look at on the stock market, the US 30, okay, the Dow Jones 30, the coronavirus has caused a drastic drop in that. The US dollar has dropped when you look at that. So when you look at different things like that, that's something where even though it wasn't started here, we have about 9 cases here. It's impacted the economy here and caused the value of the dollar to tank. Okay, so now here's how foreign exchange works, guys. Is that you do not have to physically be there. I'm here in the United States, in my home in Chicago, Illinois, but I can go trade the Japanese yen versus the Great Britain pound versus the Australian dollar, all of these different currencies, right? By simply utilizing the foreign exchange market, also called Forex, where I can go put money into a brokerage account. And then from that brokerage account, I can go look at all of the different pairs of what currencies are against each other. And I can decide to press buy or sell based on what I'm seeing. Okay. So now the key is, when do you decide to press buy or sell? This is what we're going to talk about, how we're going to help you decide that. All right. Now, let's talk about this industry really quickly. We're talking about an industry, guys. It was a $5.3 trillion per day market. It has grown to a $6.6 trillion per day market. There is no other market out there that's larger, 20 times larger than the stock market. You have other industries that are worth trillions per year. We're talking about 6.6 trillion per day. So there is money out there for everyone to be able to capitalize off of and earn in this marketplace. There's no shortage of funds. All right. Money is there. Okay. It's a market that's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week worldwide. The market is currently closed. It closes at 5 p.m. Eastern time here in the United States, and it'll reopen on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, a market you can exchange in without owning any physical money. You do not have to have any physical money on hand to participate in this market. All right, again, everything, like I said, it goes through a brokerage account from which in you get access, and then now from pressing buttons, that's how you're able to grow money. All right. Now, there's another market we're tapping into as well, guys, growing towards $1 trillion. It is set in the future stage for how everyone will handle money. I don't care what anybody says. It's just like anything else. It's here to stay. When you look at the big booms, like even from the telephone, mobile phones, the internet, where people thought these things might have been fads, they're here to stay. So this market is not going anywhere. It's becoming global forms of payment for everyday purchases everywhere. When you look at some of the bigger companies who utilize this as a form of payment, you have, I believe it's AT&T, you have Starbucks, you have Whole Foods, and now most recently Lamborghini started accepting this as forms of payment. You can also trade it without owning any physical money, just like you can with Forex. We're talking about digital currencies. We're talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin being the most popular. In addition to Bitcoin, there are about 18 other cryptocurrencies that you're able to exchange. All right. So when you look at Bitcoin, guys, it's been accepted around the globe. 2 years ago, I went into a mom and pop shop and they had a Bitcoin store, a Bitcoin machine in there, and they were forward thinking already. So it's here, it's not going anywhere. It's just about, are you going to put yourself in position to take advantage of it, or are you just going to let it pass you by and look up like, man, where did that come from? It's here. The reality is it's here. Now, Forex, crypto, the other industries that were financial industries that we're tapping into, how are we helping individuals tap into these markets? Through education, keep and learn and simplify, teaching individuals how to master the markets, knowing how to build real wealth and freedom. We're doing it through our academies. Our Foreign Exchange Mastery Academy is the first step to learning this skill set. Inside the Foreign Exchange Mastery Academy, you get access to a series of videos, guys, where you can go from level 100, which starts with general education, working your way all the way up to level 400, which is advanced curriculum in education. These videos are going to take you through things like what is Forex, the history of Forex, breaking down the different pairs, buying versus selling, all the way to when you get to the advanced levels. Now you're learning how to go into the markets and trade on your own with advanced strategies and techniques. Okay. Now, when you look at this, guys, not only do we have this for Forex, we also have it for high frequency Forex, which is binary options, and we have it for digital currency, which is cryptocurrency. We also have an academy dedicated to for the home-based business master academy. This is a home-based business. We do have a home-based business side to where if you wanted to be an independent business owner, you can decide to build this out, leverage what's made available to you, and create a residual income for yourself by sharing this with other individuals. Now, that is completely optional, but if it's something that you wanted to do, there's a whole academy dedicated to teaching you how to make that happen. Go Live, guys. This is one of my absolute favorite platforms. You get access to over 100 plus full-time educators. This is a live classroom environment where every day you get to learn from different educators inside of the I Am Mastery Academy. You're able to connect, collaborate with them, ask questions, learn, and succeed. Okay. Collectively, 1,000+ hours of live education and analysis from these educators that you're getting access to, guys, on a daily basis, made available to you in 13 different languages. So even if you don't speak English, right? If you got someone, a friend or something that may be fluent in another language um, or whatever, want to listen to it in a different language, you have access to 13 plus languages. Why is that? It's because this opportunity, this company, guys, is doing business in 120 plus countries around the globe. So it's just not an English or US thing. This is worldwide that people are tapping into to learn their skill set. You're going to be able to learn from these educators. You're talking about a team, a multitude of 6, 7, and 8-figure traders. You're going to be able to learn from them, learn from the best, learn from them on your own time live. Like I said, live classroom environment, you can engage and interact not only with the educators, but with other students as well. It's giving you live mentorship designed around your busy life and schedule. That's what you get with that. If you cannot catch a live session, you can always tap into the recording. Next thing we have, guys, is you've been able to choose your weapon, discover easy to follow strategies through powerful tools to simplify trading. We have 12 different products, like I said earlier, that you're able to tap into. When you look at these products, guys, I break them down in different categories. You have your copy and paste products, where if you're busy at work, new, don't have time to get into the markets, right? Whatever it may be, you get alerts and directly to your phone, and you can be in a trade in seconds. Okay, that's the first phase. Then you have products, guys, to where the heavy lifting, the analysis, the legwork is done for you by the traders and educators, and you utilize those products. Where again, you get alerts letting you know, hey, this here's a potential trade for you to take. You go look at that trade setup. You get a confirmation checklist. If the steps line up, then you can enter into that trade and be comfortable and confident in knowing that that is a good trade you just entered. Then you have the products, guys, that allow you to leverage what you've learned, where you have learned how to trade independently on your own. And these products give you uh, potential trade setups for you to take, where they're high accurate, high probability trade setups, and you go in based on your own analysis, confirming with your strategy, marking up charts to see to see if this is a potential trade for you to be able to profit on. All right, so that's the way I look at it, and that's the way I break it down. The copy and paste trades, the trades where the work is done, then where you go put the work in yourself, being confident off your own analysis to say, man, this product, which is 85% accurate, right, says this is a high probability trade for me to take. Let me use my analysis of what I've learned, mark it up, and see if it's going to go that way, if it's going to happen. Boom. Then you enter into that trade. All right. Now, I talked about learn and earn on the go, guys. We have different products right here. Here's a few of them: Swipe Trade, Swipe Coin, Gold Cup. These products give you easy to follow trade ideas for the markets into your phone. Stay connected and never miss an opportunity to make a profit. Friday, yesterday, for instance, right? Getting ready to start the workday. I wasn't able to mark up my charts the night before. I was a little tired. Didn't see any potential setups for me to take, and I didn't have the time to really look at the markets. But guess what? Right before my workday started, I went into our Gold Cup product because there was an alert for a new trade setup on one of the products. One of the strategies, I went in there, boom, copy and paste the trade in. A couple of hours later, trade hit, take profit for me. Simple as that. That's the power of having these on the go products that you're able to access, the mobile products, guys, and put yourself in position to profit with. Now, we also have something called our Hello Center, guys. This is where everything was synced, because everything before, and it's still around, still the older sites, because everything has just been revamped as of a few months ago. You used to have to go to like 5 different sites to access everything. And, obviously still have that access to be if you want to go look at everything on a different site. But when you have something like this, the Hello Center, which allows you to choose from several products and academies to help your trading, it's all right there for you in one space. I like to call it the one-stop hop. You go in here, you can access the different Forex academies, you can maneuver over to looking at the different products, you can go to the apps, or if an educator is hopping on live, you can go to Go Live, all right from within the Hello Center. Okay, this allows you to get easy access to everything. All right. So the biggest question we get, guys, is how can you start? Now, before I do that, what I want to do, I'm going to hop over really quick and show you some of the products I just talked about. Let me show you a couple of the products. Show you what the inside of the IM Center looks like. Show you Go Live. Show you some of the academies. So I'm going to change. I'm going to stop my screen share and change my screens here briefly, and go share my screen here. And now I'll give you guys an inside look of what's made available to the customers, right? So put myself down here at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right into im.center. So this is like the hub. This is the hub of access and everything. Just a quick look around. Hop in here. So what I didn't mention as well, this is everything is right here for you, right? Everything, Academy, Go Live, strategies is all right here. We also have what's called Pip Talk, guys. This is our platform where we're able to interact and engage with the educators and customers in a more private setting. And then we have our completions eyes, where for every level that you're going through the curriculum, there are quizzes you take as well. Okay, so as you're welcome, you got curriculum series, English. It shows a task list, and there are quizzes and everything you can take. So if I come in here, it's showing me everything I've done, wondering what to do next. Here you'll find a list of learning content that you've been invited to take. Are you ready to get started? So if I view my contents of my curriculum here, right, it'll take me over, showing me the videos. What is Forex? As you can see here, here's the testing right here. So for everything that you complete, there's a test. So let me show you what one of our videos look like. Forex 101, pop in here and you can watch everything right from inside. I can enter into full screen if I want to, but the videos are designed to be small, bite-sized videos to the point, guys, and engage you and keep you in tune with what's happening.
Welcome to the IML Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss what is Forex. Forex, or FX, is short for foreign exchange.
You see, guys, this video is only 2 minutes and 24 seconds. And you can see here, I can go right to the other videos right from here. History of Forex, what is traded in Forex, market participants, trade and view, when to trade Forex, buy versus sell. And it goes on and on and on. You see all the way here, I believe total 32 videos. Jumping into the 400 sections, guys, talking about the different patterns on the harmonic scanner, how to use the harmonic scanner, risk management planning, identifying a trend in market. So those are some more advanced things that you progress your way up to. So I'm gonna head out of here and I'm gonna go back here. Those are one of the academies. What I wanna show you now, let's talk about some different strategies really quickly. These are the different products, different strategies. And it shows you, if I click this section, it shows me the Forex Academy, and it shows you everything you have access to. So our packages, we have different packages, which I'll be talking about shortly. I have the Elite Pack, which gives me access to all of the products. So it's showing everything I have right here. High frequency, this is the Liberty product that we have for that. And I go into digital currency, it shows me the products for that. So coming back over here, guys, I like to show the harmonic scanners, one of my absolute favorite products. So I click this. Let's say if I was in Vibrata, I want to check out the harmonic scanner. I click here. I come over here. It gives you a rundown of what the harmonic is, a brief synopsis and overview of what you're getting access to, telling you what the trading styles are, the average number of trades per week, the different educators that teach on this strategy. Teach with this tool, what makes it unique, what does the features include. So if I click here, it's now going to open up the harmonic scanner for me. I come over here. Boom, I'm right inside the harmonic scanner. Now, what you're seeing here, guys, is trades that were from when the market ended. The market is closed right now, but if you look here, you have the 15-minute chart, the hour, the 4-hour, and the daily. These are the different brokers. Right here, if I click here to show me all the different brokers I can choose from to look at potential trade setups from. So say if I wanted to go see XM and I wanted to go to the hour chart, as you can see, it's showing me the last 2 trades it showed right here. All right, so let's say if I clicked on USD CHF, this will show me this trade, guys, and this trade was literally just getting ready to activate coming off of this pattern. Now, what it shows you in here as well, I talked about the different harmonic patterns, which you will learn about in the trading session. This pattern is called a shark pattern. So all of these points here, looks like geometry, right? All of these points serve a purpose. And based off from when the pattern started, and this was the end of the pattern, it has this trade going into a potential buy. So you get in here potential entry points, a stop loss point where if the trade went against you, and it gives you 3 different levels for a take profit point. It tells you right here, market is closed. So if this trade activated, let's say if it went and hit the second level for an entry and then shot back up, you're looking at a potential in this trade of 169 pips. Now, what pips are is that how we calculate money. Okay, if you caught 169 pips on this trade, if you did it, let's say at 10 cent a pip, that would have been what, $16.90 you earn off this trade. $1 a pip, it's $169. $10 a pip, right? It's $1,699. Okay, and so on and so on and so on. Just doing it from numbers like that. So that's just showing you that. But what I'm going to show, if I can find, showing you how accurate the harmonic scanner is. Let me see if I can find an older trade. So typically the older trades are down here. The newer trades at the top. The older trades are at the bottom. Let me pull up GBP USD and show if it showed anything. So as you can see here, right, GBP USD, this trade, boom, went active, and it went all the way down. It hit take profit 1 here, hit take profit 2 here, got close to take profit 3 before it turned around and looked like it's going up, boom, and it did. It hit the, no, that's where the price is at. It's getting close to the stop loss. Now, it may hit the stop loss or it may turn back around. But if you look at this trade, there's no guarantee it's going to go to take profit 3. That's why take profit 1 is a good place to start if you have multiple trades, or you could trail it or whatever. Okay. So if you look here though, even if if you look at where the trade activated at, which is right here off the end of the Gartley pattern, this shot down for a total of, boom, 179 pips is what you could have collected on this trade. Now you're looking at, well, man, it's as simple as entering in these numbers and then letting it do its thing. That can happen. The first trade I did like that, I didn't know what I was doing. I did enter just the numbers. It was in a demo account though. I woke up the next day, I made like $380. I'm like, oh, this is great. But the harmonic scanner, guys, is 85% accurate. It's designed to give you the best possible entries, but you still want to utilize it with a strategy that you learn that moves in conjunction with it. Okay, so now when you have that strategy, the harmonic scanner is giving you that entry, and based off your strategy, is just giving you that extra confirmation that trade, it's a very high probability that trade is going to plan out that way. All right, so this is the harmonic scanner, just one of the products I want to show. Now what I want to do, I want to show you guys what Go Live looks like. So let me go back out of here and show you Go Live. 7 days a week, there's an educator live inside of Go Live. So multiple times throughout the day, some educators teach live 2 to 3 times a week. Some teach live 2 times per day. It just depends. So it shows you our top feature sessions here. This is not typos. Kim and Dr. Kathy, they teach on 2 different sessions. And these sessions, you see it says Forex Advanced, Gold Cup, Forex Advanced, and Vibrata. Their session just happened to be, you have Bass Kuzma, who's also Forex Advanced. The most watched sessions currently, all right, that people are enjoying and getting value from. Because here's, in top of learning these strategies, the educators also give out potential trade setups for you to take as well on their live strategies. Cool thing is Dr. Kathy is actually my business partner, part of her team. So guys, it's cool if you work with me, you'll be working with her as well. All right, so you have the different channels here. Shows you the Forex. I don't know why it's showing that because it's live already. You have a high frequency digital currency and the IBO libraries. Then you have the strategies. It breaks it down. You can go from Forex basics, advanced, digital currencies, and all of the different products, mindset motivation. Check this out, guys. Let me show you something with mindset motivation. I don't talk about this often, but if you come in here and look, guys, check this out. You can come in here and get live education from different educators. So we have a gentleman here by the name of Words Taylor, who you can come in here and check him out live, and he's giving you live motivational mindset 3 days a week. Okay, so nothing like having the right mindset, guys, to come in here and learn this skill set. All right, so we have that now. You can also pick your the educators. You can pick your language first from up here, whatever language you're in. 13 different languages to choose from. And then over here, you have the different strategies, okay, that you can pick as well. So you got so many options to find what it is that you're seeking out. So if I'm in here and I want to go to Oh, what am I want to go for? I'm gonna go learn about forex. Let me just click just forex. I say, all right, let me give me what's gonna give me on forex. I click that. It's gonna take me right over to everything forex related. Did I not click it? Okay, let me go Forex Advanced. It shows me right here. Okay, these are the different educators inside of Forex Advanced that I can pick from. These are all of the Forex Advanced educators. So let's say if I wanted to pick Dr. Kathy, I'll click her name, and what it's going to do is going to take me directly to her latest session. All right. So it'll show me right here. Boom. You come down here, you can click here to see the last session event post, or you can come right here and see the recorded sessions. You see the last one was the 29th. And if she has any favorite sessions, there's nothing shown right there, but if they have favorite sessions, it'll be there. So her last session was the 29th. I want to watch it right from here. I could click here, click play, and watch the session right from here. Simple as that, right? So very simplistic, easy to tap into. Now, if anybody was live at this time right now, let me small this out. Move myself over right here. Oh, I just made it larger. Okay, small it. Go back to go live right here. Here we go. It opened up on the other side. If anybody was live right now, guys, it'll show me right here if anybody was on live, or I can click these three buttons. And by me clicking these three buttons, it'll show me live educators. Okay, so no one is live right now. All right, but if you want to see what when an educator's schedule was, all you would have to do, like if I wanted to see who was live inside Forex Basics, I click on Forex Basics, I come in here, it'll show me the lineup. If anybody's live today, it'll show me. So we have Jimmer right here. Jimmer, he teaches Forex Basics. He's live. Today is Saturday. He'll be on 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. If I want to see the full lineup and want to see every time Jimmer was on, it shows you right here. He's only on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Cool, perfect. I'm off work. Hey, I want to watch Jimmer. Let me see what he's talking about with Forex Basics. I can catch him at 10 p.m. Eastern on Saturday and 8 p.m. Eastern on Sundays. So you get a layout of everyone's schedule as well. All right, so guys, I just want to show you a few things. I showed you Go Live. I showed you some of the products. I showed you strategies and everything in the academies. So now let's talk about pricing. So I'm going to stop my screen share. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to get back to my PowerPoint, do that. And now let's talk about pricing, guys. So how can you get started? What are the packages? We have different packages to choose from. We have 4 different packages. We have the package for each academy. You have the foreign exchange education. You have your high frequency education, and you have your your digital currency education. Each one of those packages have the same price, startup price, and then the monthly price. Startup price, guys, is $234.95. That's what you would pay the first month. After that, the price then goes to $174.95 per month. Now, with the Foreign Exchange Academy, it includes Forex Master Academy, Go Live, and Harmonic Scanner. With the high frequency, you get the High Frequency Master Academy, Go Live, and the Harmonic Scanner. With the digital currency pack, same thing. You get the Master Academy, Go Live, and the digital currency scanner. Now, if you say, hey, listen, I want to tap into all of them. I like these products, man. I want to be able to start, obviously maybe copying and pasting with the crypto products, with Swipecoin. I've heard great things about that, but I really want to learn Forex. And then I've heard some great things about that Liberty product too. So I want to be able to tap in all of these markets, these industries, to have access to them. Then the elite pack is for you. If you're super serious, you're a person who want to tap into everything, just be able to have access to everything. For if you're like me, even though my main focus is Forex, I do plan on learning more in digital currency, and then at some point, high frequency. If that's the case, the elite pack would be for you. So 3-in-1 Academy pack gives you access to everything the company has to offer. $324.95 is the initial starting price for the first month. After that, it drops down to $274.95. All 3 academies you get access to, along with all 12 of the different products. Now, if you decide you want to do one of the other packs, and you want to add on one of our additional products, here's what the price points of those are. So many ways to learn simple trading, right? We have the additional add-ons as an a la carte system, unless you have the elite pack where it is all included. you have the products, they range anywhere from $21.95 per month to $49.95 per month. Now, we do have 6 different products that are add-ons. 4 of them are add-ons to Vibrato, and 2 are add-ons to our Gold Cup product. These are add-ons are very popular strategies and techniques, guys, that for an additional $10 per month, that gives you the option to take in more copy and paste trade products. One product alone, guys, you can get between 3 to 5 different options to be able to take copy and paste trades. Okay, so they're keeping it simplified to say this is how you earn while you learn. You have the copy and paste products, you have the products where the analysis, the legwork has been done, and you can follow a few things in the confirmation to get into trades while you're learning to get to the point to use the products where you can trade on your own independently. So you're getting everything right in here for you. All right. Now, really quickly talking about our IBO, our Home-Based Business Mastery Academy, for those who want to create some residual income for yourselves. Let's talk about that really quickly. To start out, here's something that's very powerful that the company offers, okay? And now it is completely optional, but it's offered for those that may say, man, hey, the monthly fee, I know I can afford it, but, and I know I'm gonna need money obviously put into my accounts. Is there a way that I can leverage this and maybe share it with some people and start creating revenue that way? You have what's called the 2 and free. If you refer 2 active paying customers to the academies, you're going to get free access. Hello, free access, meaning you only have to do it one time, but every month. It doesn't matter if it's 2 months from now, 5 months from now, 2 years from now, you'll be able to get free access to the IM Mastery platform. So whatever academy, whatever package you had, every single month, that's revenue back in your pocket. It's your monthly subscription is suspended, and you can use that, right? You can use that to put into a trading account or whatever you want to do with it. All right. Now, the compensation plan, let's talk about it, guys. We have different fast start bonuses for anyone for the Forex, the digital currency, or the high frequency academy. If you enroll somebody into this, let's say you enroll 5 people, you're going to get $25 per person. That's $125 that you just earned for the week. But let's say you enroll 5 people at the elite level, that's $250 you earn for the week. Okay, so you look at that. These are fast start bonuses that come. The company pays out every Friday. Now, this is great and all, but the real money lies in the compensation plan of the residual income portion of it, which I'm going to start talking about now. If you're not familiar with residual income, guys, the power of residual income is you do the work one time, you continue to get compensated on it over and over again. It's kind of like a form of royalties in the music business or in the entertainment world with actors and actresses, right? They've made movies and music years ago, or but you figure today, anytime those songs get played, those movies are shown, they're still collecting checks off of them. You might not see them, but they're still living a good life because they're collecting checks. So imagine people like shows like Seinfeld, Martin, man, Cosby Show. I'm just trying to name some shows that have been on forever from when I was a kid growing up. They still show so many different shows and songs every year. A very popular birthday song or New Year's song or whatever, these artists and entertainers are still making money. So how do we earn residual income over here? Start out with our platinum levels, guys. It's the platinum 150 in this company. If you refer 3 people to 3 customers into what we call your organization, that's now going to earn you $150 per month or $37.50 per week. Platinum 600, which is the next position, guys. If you accumulate 12 customers in your organization, you're now earning an additional income of $150 per week. That's extra $600 per month. Okay. Platinum 1000, accumulate 30 customers in your organization. That's you earning $1,000 per month or $250 per week. Now here, let me make something clear. Personal refer, as you see right here, is all you have to do is personal refer 3 people. Accumulate means that between you and those 3 people you shared it with, or whoever else you share it with, if you collectively get 12 people in your organization, you're now at 600 per month, 30 people to 1,000 per month. So let's say you want to share this with 3 people and they wanted to simply duplicate what you did, right? Keep it number simple. 3, you only got 3 just like you. Just keeping it simple. That's 12 customers in your organization. That's an additional $600 per month. Okay. Now, guys, I'll be honest with you. $600 might not sound like a lot of money, but guess what? That's paying someone's rent. That's paying part of a mortgage. It's paying a car note. It's insurance money. It's vacation money. It's gas money, tuition, groceries. So many things you can do. That number alone, guys, is stopping someone from having to go out and get a second or third job. All right. And that's just by having the efforts of 12 people total in your organization who all are wanting to learn this skill set. All right. Now we talked about platinum 1,000, that's 1,000 per month, but the compensation plan goes up from there. We have platinum 2,000. You accumulate 75 qualified subscribers in your organization, that's additional 2,000 per month. Platinum 5,000, it's 5,000 per month, guys. And then from there, as you continue to grow, you elevate to the chairman positions, chairman 10, and all the way to chairman 500. Now, what I'll say about the chairman positions, this is now where you are stepping into the top 3% of income earners in the world. I say that because 97% of the country earns less than $10,000 per month. So by you building this business, which most people start part-time, and you get to the point where you're a chairman 10, guys, you're earning an additional $10,000 per month, additional $2,500 per week. Okay, chairman 25, 25,000 per month, chairman 50, 50,000 per month, chairman 100, 100 grand a month, 250 is 250,000 per month, and chairman 500 is $500,000 per month. Now, it's all about what you see in the eye of the beholder, right? We do, so some people can't see all of this, but I get it, and I get it, and everyone has different levels of what they see, but understand that at every single one of these positions in the company, we have multiple people. We have multiple chairman 500s, all the way down to multiple platinum 150s. So it's all about, you might just be comfortable being a platinum 600, or you might be a person say, I'm going all the way to chairman 500. So it's totally up to personal preference, but understanding that residual income, guys, it's that leverage. It's like with trading and residual income, it's like two $20 bills on the ground. You pick up 120 to learn a trade, and the 20 for residual income is laying on the ground. You just leave it. It don't make sense. Well, you're not going to pick it up. And I say that to say, if when you're not, let's say if you have a week where you might not trade, you might be sick, or you might just didn't feel like seeing any good moves in the market. Just imagine if you had that residual income still coming in, because that IM pays every Friday like clockwork. Since I've been in this company, I started, I would say about between 3 to 6 months in, I started building, and from that point on, guys, I've received a check every single Friday for almost 3 years now. So they pay out. It's great to have that income, guys, and additional income in addition to trading. So is it for everybody? No, but is it for somebody? Yes. So guys, that is it. I am done. I wanted to hop on here and share this with you all. I hope you all found value in this information, guys. At this point, I have a few type of people, depending on where you're watching this at, guys. If you saw it and it's not for you, I appreciate you hopping on, guys. But if you think this may be for someone, please let them know. Feel free to share the information. Connect me with them. I'll be more than happy to share with them what we have taking place over here. Next person says, hey man, it looks good. I still want to learn more. I like to see some results, some things like that. If you are not in my group, I highly recommend you join my Forex group, where I'm streaming this video live in right now. The link is fb.tradewithed.com. Inside this group, I share customer results, product results, trainings, testimonials, presentations like this. I share it all inside this group to allow you to see the value of what this platform offers. Third person, hey, I got some questions. I like what I see, but I do have some questions. Great, let's connect. Let's get those questions answered. And the fourth person says, hey, listen, I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to rock and roll. I've been looking at this. I know what I want. Let's make it happen. If that's you guys, let's get you started. Let's get you in the system. If someone else shared this with you, I do have some other people that are not part of my team inside my group as well. Get back with that person who shared this group with you and connect with them. But if you saw this through me or anybody on my team, let's connect. Let's get you up and running, get you started, and have you set up to where this month of February can be a fantastic month for you to help you earn while you're learning in the markets, guys. So thank you so much for your time. I appreciate this. I'll be back in here again tomorrow to break down this information once again. Thank you. You guys have a great day, and I look forward to working with you. Take care.